Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking vermicelli with clams in superior soup. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to make the superior stock for this dish. In the stock pot, add in 3 liters of water. 1 kilogram of chicken feet. I've blanched and washed them. Just pour them in. 100 grams of dried anchovies. I've washed these also. It's best if you could put them in the bag like this. Also drop them in. Put it in together with the chicken feet. And we're also going to add in 20 grams of ginger sliced. Young ginger will be fine. Put the lid on and let this boil for at least 1 hour. We are now going to boil the vermicelli. Heat up a pan or a pot of water. I'm doing this for 3 persons. This is 150 grams of dried vermicelli which I've soaked and softened this. So just when the water is boiling, just put this in. This will just take a minute or two. Just soften them up. When this is done, we'll divide this into 3 bowls. So once this is soft, scoop this up and drain this, and we'll divide this into 3 portions. Heat up a wok or a pan. I'm using a cast iron wok here because I do not want to scratch my pan, because you know clams, they are hard, and for cooking crabs and clams like this I prefer to use a cast iron wok. So make sure that your pan is hot. It's best you can see white smoke coming out from it. Pour in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Swirl the oil around. 30 grams of ginger, julienne. Fry until fragrant. When the ginger starts to brown, add in the white stem of the spring onion. I'm using approximately 4 of them. Now we will pour in the soup. Now I'm cooking for 3 persons, so if you are cooking for more, you can put in more soup, or lesser person can put in lesser soup. You have to wait for this to boil. Put the lid back on. Now that the soup is boiling, we'll start to put in the rest of the ingredients. Put in 1 kilogram of clams. I'm using Venus clams over here. Make sure that you soak them and get the sand out. This will cook pretty fast. Once it opens up, it's ready. A 1/4 cup of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. The rest of the green part of the spring onion. Now removing the sand from the clams are pretty easy. We just need to soak them in salt water and add a few pieces of ice to make sure that it's cool enough so that the clam don't just pass away or die. Remember, we haven't add any seasoning yet to our soup, so we're going to have a taste in a while. This is going to be so good. The sweetness from the clams, the aroma from all this ginger that we fry over here, plus the superior stock. This is going to be a beautiful dish. If you want this to cook faster, just put the lid back on. You just have a look. Right, all the clams have opened up and the water is starting to boil, so we'll add in the seasoning now. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Half a teaspoon of salt. As well as a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, just to balance out the taste. Now give this a light stir. Don't stir them too hard, otherwise all the meat will fall out from the clams. We don't want that to happen. Just something like this will be fine. Now we'll give this a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Fantastic. A little bit more salt will be fine. So another of a 1/4 teaspoon more. Okay, we'll top it up with white pepper. And we're ready to serve. Turn off the flame and we'll serve it now. The vermicelli is done. Let's have a taste. Very flavorful. The sweetness of the clam, fantastic. I'll give a taste on the clams. Fat and juicy, really nice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.